Welcome to Peppy Learning Solutions. Using this video, you are going to learn about arrays in Java programming language. Topics covered in this video are what is array, array creation, access array, copy array, multi-dimensional array. What is array? Array is a collection of variables which are all of the same type. Let's say integer array, which holds all the integers. String array, which holds all the strings. Array creation is similar to object creation. Here, object creation means we use the keyword called new. You will create an array using the new keyword. Each item in an array is called an element. Each element is accessed by its numerical index and index values starts from 0. Here is the pictorial way of array representation. Here, there is a 10 elements array, so the length of array is 10. The index starts from 0 and ends with 9, as length of array minus 1 is the indexes. The red box represents 5th index, that means it is 6th element. Array creation. An array can be created in two ways. The first one using multiple steps, second one all at once. In the multiple steps, you can create an array, you can allocate memory for it, and you can initialize the array. Let's say programmatically. I have already opened Eclipse. In the Learn Java project source folder, right click, new, click on package, com.peppy.arrays. So finish. Right click on the newly created package, click on class, arrays demo, public static void main, finish. Delete the auto generated code. We are going to create an integer array. So to create an integer array, you have to give the open and close braces next to the type. So that is, our type is integer. Let's say here marks. An array is created, but no memory is allocated at the moment. To allocate memory for this, you have to mention number of elements part of this array. Marks equal to new integer of 4. I want to store 4 marks in this integer array. So now I am going to initialize these marks. Marks of first element is 45. Marks of second element is 55. Marks of third element is 65. Marks of fourth element is 75. This is how you can create array in multiple steps. Let me update a marks in one line. Integer array of updated marks equal to open brace, close brace. Here 49, 59, 69 and 79. This is how you can create the array at one line. So now updated marks is array type of integer and it holds 4 elements. Now access array. You can access array using indexes. You can access 5th element of array using 4th index. Let's see that. First, I would like to access the marks array. Sysout. I want to access third element. So to access third element, you have to use the second index. So you have to use marks of 2. And when you run this program, you can see third element is 65. Let me access the third element in the updated marks. Sysout. New third element. So here is also same. I want to access third element, so I have to give the second index. Save it. And when you run this program, you see the new third element is 69, which is mentioned here. This is how you can access the array. When you try to access wrong index, you're bound to see array index out of bound exception. Let me demo that for you. In the first element, we are aware that it got only 4 elements, but let me try to access the 6th element. So, unknown element marks of 5. So, we are trying to access 6th element of index 5. Let me execute this. You can see here java.line.array index out of bound exception, which is telling index 5 is not available in marks. When you click on here, it will show you on which line the error is occurred. So I'm commenting this as it is error prone. So keep comment and keep moving. Copy array. You can copy elements from an array to another array. Let's see programmatically. Go to your package com pepi arrays, right click, new, class, array, copy demo. Click on public static void main and say finish. Here I'm going to create a string array. Let's say I'm creating here as company equal to Pepi learning. I want to make it as separate elements. Pepi learning solutions private limited. So let me go and print the first element here. Company of 0. So it prints the first element. Now I would like to create an array and I want to copy few of the elements from company array to another array. For that, let me create a string array of company type which contains new string array which contains of, let's say, only 2 elements. Either it is a private limited or public limited. Now I have created company type string array. What am I interested is, from the company I want to understand type of a company, whether it is a private limited or a public limited. For that, what I can do is I can take a help of system class system dot array copy. It got a static method. We'll talk about static methods in later point of time. So the source which I want to take from the source array is company. Source position is from the 4th element. So I have to take the 3rd index. Destination is company type. Destination position starts from 0. The length which I want to take is 2 elements. So this is what my syntax. Now I would like to print the new array. For that, type sysout company type, take the first element which is index 0 and add little space so that it doesn't attach both of the strings. For that, syntax is concatenation plus double quotes space and company type of 2nd element. So give Ctrl Shift F. It formats your code nicely. Now save it and print the element. Run the program. Now you can see first element is Pepi, which is mentioned here, and the second one is sysout. You can see here private limited. This is how you can copy array. Now let's see the another way you can copy arrays. So which will be using arrays class. First, let me create an array which is I'm interested this time is only company name. So new string of, here I want 3 elements. So now I'm interested in the company name. So you can copy arrays in different manner. So for company name, I can use arrays class, arrays dot copy of range. Here the original is from company, from first element to the third element. Now I want to print only the first and third element. Let's say it will show us Peppy Solutions, company name of first element, and give some space, company name of second element. So this is what I want to print. So when I run this program, you can see here Peppy Solutions. So ideally from company array, Peppy Learning Solutions is copied to company name. Multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is also called as array of array. So a one-dimensional array is like a list and two-dimensional array is like a table. Multidimensional array is out of scope of this video. Let's see in the future. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.